Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today I have a product review that I think you're really going to enjoy. We're talking about the 330W 19.5V 16.9A 4 holes charger adapter ADP-330AB for Clevo P370SM AP570WM MSI GT83 VR GT70. 3VR GT80S Asus ROG GX700 VOGB 012T, and trust me, you're going to want to hear this. How many times have you searched online for the perfect product, only to end up with something that doesn't meet your expectations at all? It's a common problem, and I know how frustrating it can be. Well, the 330W 19.5V 16.9A 4 holes charger adapter ADP-330AB for Clevo P370SM AP570WM MSI GT83 VR GT73 VR GT. ADS Asus ROG GX700 VOGB 012T is here to change that. This product was designed with the customer in mind: great functionality, durable construction, and a sleek modern design. It checks all the boxes and then some. Now, here's the exciting news: there's a limited time discount happening right now. The 330W 19.5V 16.9A 4 holes charger adapter ADP-330AB for Clevo P370SM AP570WM MSI GT83 VR GT73 VR GT. ADS Asus ROG GX700 VOGB 012T is available for just $63.32. Yes, you heard that right, only $63.32. And the reviews? They're absolutely fantastic. Buyers from all over the world are raving about it. This product has been shipped to over 40 countries, and customers everywhere are giving it 5-star ratings. So don't wait, click the link in the description to order yours today before this offer ends. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for being here, and I'll catch you in the next video.